Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create this stunning glittery silver and black eyeshadow look. This will be perfect for any party or special occasion. So let's dive in and get started. So firstly I am applying the paper tape along the outer corner of my eyes. This prevents the dark eyeshadow from smudging and gives me a sharp and clean edge. Then I am starting with a light brown eyeshadow from my palette. Using a fluffy blending brush, I am tapping the shadow onto my eyelid and blending it into my crease. This will create a smooth and soft for the dark shades. We're going to add that later. So be sure to blend the product well into your socket area for a smooth transition. And I'll repeat the same process on the other eye. This light brown shade is going to act as transition color. So take your time to blend it well. So next I am grabbing a deeper brown shade which I am going to apply it to the outer corner of my eyes. I am packing the shade in and blending it inwards. Focusing on the crease area, you want to create that depth in the outer corners which is going to give the eyes more lifted and defined look. This also helps to build a nice gradient effect from dark to light, make the final look more dimensional. So I am applying the same process to my other eyes. So next, let's make things a little more dramatic. I am taking a black eyeshadow and using a small dense brush to tap it onto the outermost part of my eyelid. So now let's make things a little more dramatic. I am taking a black eyeshadow and using a small dense brush to tap onto the outermost part of my eyelid. Start by focusing on the outer corner. And once you've placed the eyeshadow, begin blending it inward, but make sure you keep it darker onto the outer corner. So here I don't want the black to overpower the brown, so I layer it gradually. Tap the black on the carefully and blend it to the outwards corner. So this will help me to achieve that deep smoky look that I am going for. So now to make sure the black and brown shadow transition smoothly, I am going to take the lighter shade of the brown and that I've used earlier and blending the edges of the black. This step is super important because it will ensure that there are no harsh lines between the dark and the light shades. Keep blending until you achieve that flawless gradient look from dark to light. So this is the secret to a beautifully blended smoky eye. So this also helps to build a nice gradient effect from light to dark. So let's now move on to adding some definition to the lid. I am taking flat brush and a bit of concealer or eyeshadow primer. I am applying it to the center of my eyelid just above the crease and create a half cut crease effect. This step really helps to define the eyes and added a gorgeous contrast to the darker shadow on the outer corners. I am tapping the product from inner corner to the middle center lid of my eyes. Tap the product gently and make sure it's well blended onto the surrounding areas. This helps shimmers and glitter pop even more. To lock the cut crease in place, I am setting it with a skin toned eyeshadow or a translucent setting powder. So now I am going to the next part, glitter. Two-way gel from Mensclair. I am using this two-way gel onto my eyelid so the particles of the glitter will lock properly. I am applying this stunning silver shimmer eyeshadow called Stardust using a flat brush. I am pressing it onto the center of my lid right where we applied the concealer. This gives the eyes a gorgeous pop of sparkle and makes the whole look more glamorous. I love how this shade catches the light. It's so stunning and adds that perfect amount of drama. Next, I am going to line my eyes with a blue heaven eyeliner. I am going for a thin, precise line along my upper lash. This defines my eyes without overwhelming the look. Since we've already created pretty dramatic eyeshadow, we do not need the thicker line, just enough gives the eye shape to make them pop. Now I am applying the highlighter to my brow bones. So now I am going to apply the Rennie Midnight Kohl pencil to my waterline. Then I am applying the black eyeshadow along my waterline. This gives the eyes more definition and complete the smoky effect. So this is a tiny detail that really brings the whole look together. After that, I am taking a brown eyeshadow and blending it onto the black to create a smooth transition. This helps balance out the darker top lid with the lower lash line, and it's all about blending and perfection here. To add a little extra brightness, I am using a glitter stick to apply some shimmer to the inner corner of my lower lash line. This brightens up the eyes and makes them appear bigger and more awake. Now it's time for mascara. I am using the Europe Curl mascara coat on my top and bottom lashes. This mascara has such a tiny wand which is perfect for getting into those smaller lashes and giving them a fuller look. Don't forget the bottom lashes, they are just important as balanced voluminous the look. To complete the look, I am using the heavy falsies. With the help of the tweezer, I am going to apply the false lashes to my both eyes. To prime my under eyes, I am using the Dot and Key moisturizer first. Then I am going to apply the moisturizer to my under eyes. Now I am taking a concealer that is just a shade darker than my skin tone. And I am applying it to the areas where I want to blend everything in seamlessly. This helps to add a little more depth and makes the under eyes area look flawless. You want everything to melt into your skin, so blend, blend, blend with the fingers or a makeup sponges or the brushes. To make it even, I am using a lighter shade of concealer with the help of my finger. I am using the Inside Banana Loose powder to set the concealer under my eyes. I am gently pressing the powder onto my skin with a small fluffy brush to ensure that everything stays in a place and there is no creasing. The banana powder also brightens up the under eye area, which is always a plus. So here's the final look.